Welcome back to Kim's Creations, everyone. I am going to attempt a split base Dutch pour. I have sprayed the back of my canvas, taped it off, and I have leveled it out on all sides. Very important when using a Dutch pour so that the paint doesn't slide off one way or another because you haven't balanced it out. Okay, so as you can see, I have painted the edges of the canvas where I am using this dark color, which is Payne's Gray by Liquitex Basics. And I just used it straight from the tube to paint the sides. And the reason I did that is because quite often with these either dark or lighter colors, it just depends, I think, on whether they're opaque or not. You may or may not get full coverage on the side, so sometimes it's best to just paint the edges. And the reason why I came up on the top is because you don't want a ridge with that paint that might prevent what's on the liquid here from flowing over the edges. So that's what I did. Everything is balanced out. I've used popsicle sticks to level the canvas, so that makes that easy. My paint, I have only mixed it with water, and I am using kind of Rinske Douna's method. She just uses paint and water. It's very, very fluid consistency. It does not leave any mound. It just drops right in and doesn't leave a trace. And I didn't really measure it out. I just kind of got it to this liquid consistency, but it is about 1 part paint to a little less than 1 part water, and you've just got to kind of play with it because the different paints are going to have different consistencies, and even colors within the same brand will have different consistencies. So my base is going to be, like I said, this Payne's Gray. I am just going to get started and pour this out. And as you can see, I kind of drew on here a little bit to give me a guide for where I wanted the Payne's Gray. So Payne's Gray is a gray color, obviously, but it does have like this, it throws a blue hue to it. Geez, I hope I have enough mixed up. All right. All right, now how to layer the paint. I think I'm going to start with this light pink, which is the lilac. I'm just going to come along the line here. Doesn't have to be perfect. And I might just alternate the colors. So the light pink, I'm going to go with the dioxazine purple now. I'm going to do the gold next. I've seen some other artists say that can be good not to put gold or your metallic as your top color, your last color, because it can take over, and it kind of is nice to see it shimmer up through other colors. I think I'm going to go again over here and put just a little bit more through this middle part. Okay. And I drip there. Probably won't matter because I'm going to blow that out, so I'm not too worried about it. I am going to come back with the lilac color just to give that another little drizzle. I think that's it. Should I go back with the purple? Maybe I will. Oh, decisions, decisions. There. All right, I think that's enough. I'm gonna move these out of the way over here. Excuse me. And just so you know, this is a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I am going to torch these bubbles out now. Because again, bubbles in here just from laying down the paint. And I might as well torch the rest of canvas as well. Just as time goes by, more and more bubbles come up, so get them now while you can. All right, ooh, here we go. Start up high, come down. Actually, I'm just gonna blow over. Forgot this part. See, I haven't done this. All right, and then one layer of that, and then I'm going to blow that over the other way. Now we're going to blow it out. Blow this a little bit. Wow. Well, okay. I am going to torch this a little bit. I'm not sure about this area in here, but I am loving the negative space through there. Let's see what happens. There's some great cell action in this. I'm loving the colors that are on here. Wow. I think I'm just gonna blow a little bit in here and see what happens. There, that's a little better. I like that more. Maybe lightly blow this over here too. See if I can get my mouth to work on that. It's hard. There. I might do a little molly, maybe a little curly Q like that. Maybe one in through here. Oh no. You can just embellish these however you like. It's kind of what makes this don't know if I like that one there. And you can just get rid of it, blow it away. Wow. I don't think I'm going to fiddle with this much more. I am liking it just the way it is. You should see that gold sheen over here. It's so amazing. So amazing. Wow. Okay, what you want to do now, I'm basically done with this. I am not going to mess with it anymore. I'm going to consider it done. Done, done, done. All right, let me know what you think. I am loving this. Leave your comments below, and hold on 1 second here. I am going to bring you in for a close-up. I am just going to take a quick picture. We are doing a close-up here of the painting, and it's a little bit hard to see with that light glaring on it, but look at the gold. And look at those colors. I love how that purple came through and the quinacridone magenta mixing with it. It's just a beautiful, beautiful color combination, and you'll be able to see that there. And that has a beautiful shine to it. That's where I embellished a little bit with my finger. All right. Another little embellishment there. You can do it or not do it. I just thought I'd play with it. But there you have it. There is the whole piece. So again, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time.